Hey, Ma!
Alright, so 2 things. I kind of have been doing this and I finished this whole thing. But in the beginning, you can just, maybe not that one, but I started doing it so they're already done. Like, I'll do it on this one. In the beginning, sometimes you can just pop them off like that. Save yourself some time. When it starts getting difficult to pop them off, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of them. But sometimes they won't come off that easily. If they don't come off like that easily, then I recommend using heavy duty scissors. Sharp scissors. I was gonna say it's gonna reduce the amount of them flying off. The problem is that I'm doing this to record, so I'm doing it at a weird angle. Normally I would face it down like that, and then they're not gonna fall all over the place. And you could cut off like multiple ones at once, like usually I'm like. But it's hard when you're trying to record, so just keep that in mind. It's not going to fly all over the place like it is for me when you do it. But scissors are definitely the way better way to go. Okay? And you're just trying to cut them as long as possible. Gives you more flexibility later on. Look at that. But yeah, I'll make fast work of this now. Now that I know the secret.